There are two edit elevation commands within Naviate. This video will cover the edit elevation by values command. The edit elevations by value command allows the user to set the elevations of a node or feature line in relation to another elevation. The command starts by asking for points to move. Select one or more of the nodes of a feature line by clicking on the feature line near to the node or by clicking on the node label. The command can also handle Kogo points or an entire feature line at once. Once the selection is made, press enter. There are multiple ways to enter an elevation. The last method used will be the current one selected. Raise moves the nodes or feature lines up or down by the value entered. A negative value moves the nodes downwards. The command alters the elevations, and then the command gives the option to accept the changes. Select Surface rebuilds any surface within the drawing so that the changes can be seen. Click Yes to keep the changes. Then the command will return back to selecting a new set of nodes to edit. To pick the same selection set, use P for previous and then press enter. Set elevation sets all the selected nodes to a common elevation. Grade, slope and difference sets the elevation of the node in relation to another node. Use O-snap to snap to the reference node, and if multiple nodes are being moved, the next prompt will require the user to select the base point. This is the node that the elevation difference should be measured from. By clicking difference, as shown here, we can then enter the elevation difference. For grade and slope, enter a percent value for grade or a ratio for slope. The option Interpolation sets the elevation in relation to two other points. Once the option is selected, select the first and second point of the interpolation line. After that, select the base point. This is the point from the selection that should be matched to the interpolation plane.